Hi, I'm Sandy. Most nights a fridge full of leftovers is a dinner win, but sometimes you don't want to eat the same thing 2 nights in a row. If you're looking for a fresh spin on your leftovers, how about putting them on a pizza? A sheet pan full of roasted veggies like Brussels sprouts, carrots, and red onion is one of my favorite side dishes, but it also works great the next night on a pizza. I've got a fresh pizza dough here that I got from the store. You can also get a fresh pizza dough from the pizzeria too. And then I'm gonna grate some cheese and I'm gonna skip the sauce on this pizza. Just use my sharp cheddar cheese, roasted veggies, and some smoky barbecue. The sweet and smoky of the rub, savoriness of the vegetables, and the creaminess of the cheese are just gonna work great together. All right, I baked my pizza at 425 for about 12 to 14 minutes. This is gonna be so delish, a great way to use up your leftover veggies. Leftover chicken works great in so many different meals, but I love chopping it up and putting it on a pizza. So easy. We're gonna be making a Thai chicken pizza today with a really simple peanut sauce and some grated veggies too. So I'm grabbing my naan bread that I just grilled. I love using naan for pizza. This recipe would work really great with just regular pizza dough, fresh pizza dough, but naan is a really great shortcut. Look how beautiful the grill marks. So I'm just gonna spread a couple tablespoons of my peanut sauce. I love this recipe because who said a pizza has to be with tomato sauce and cheese? It can really be whatever you want it to be. And the key to any sauce with pizza is to make it thick enough so it spreads nicely and doesn't make your crust watery, which this succeeds. I warmed up my chicken a little bit, but you can also serve this chilled too. I like the warm chicken. Just finish with some cilantro. Everybody loves Thanksgiving leftovers, but after a couple days, they can get a little tired. Sometimes I like to put all my leftovers into a tortilla, but making a pizza is a much better way to serve the whole family and get all your leftovers finished. So I have some leftover mashed potatoes and some mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna mix them together, microwave them for about a minute so it's nice and spreadable, and that's gonna be the base to my pizza. All right, so my mashed potatoes kind of acts as my cheese in my pizza, since it's cheesy mashed potatoes. I just par-baked my crust for about 10 minutes to get it extra crisp. This pizza works with just about any leftovers, but today I have some cranberry, roasted sweet potatoes, turkey, and my cheesy mashed potatoes. All right, let's do the turkey. Got your sweet potatoes. This would work with squash too. And then we'll just top with some dollops of cranberry. So this will bake at 425 for about 12 to 14 minutes. Oh guys, this smells amazing. I think I just found my new way to serve Thanksgiving leftovers. Needs a little greenery, I think, a little fresh herbs. So I've got some fresh rosemary just on the top. Just ties it all together. The next time you find yourself with a fridge full of leftovers, try pizza night. You can get creative with your combinations and you will have smiles around the dinner table.